Planning to travel to Spain on a budget? Welcome to the world of affordable exploration, where the vibrant culture and picturesque landscapes of Spain can be experienced without breaking the bank. Today, we're embarking on a journey to discover how planning, research, and flexibility become your best allies in achieving a budget-friendly trip to this beautiful country. Spain, with its rich history, diverse regions, and world-famous cuisine, is a must-visit destination. But how do you get the most out of your Spanish adventure without emptying your wallet? It's all about being smart with your choices, from flights and accommodations to meals, sightseeing, and even money management. Every aspect of your journey can be tailored to fit your budget, ensuring that you can savor the flavors of Spain, immerse yourself in its vibrant culture, and make unforgettable memories. So, are you ready to travel smart? Stay tuned as we dive into the practical and actionable tips to make your Spanish adventure memorable and affordable. Finding affordable flights and accommodations is the first step to a budget-friendly Spanish getaway. Let's start with flights. The key to finding cheap airfare is comparison. Websites like Skyscanner, Kayak, and Google Flights are your best friends here. They scour the internet to bring you the best deals from various airlines. But don't just stop at one site. Check multiple platforms to ensure you're getting the absolute best price. Now, if you're really looking to save, consider traveling during the off-peak season. The peak tourist season in Spain runs from June to August. Flights during this period can be pricey. However, if you opt for travel during the shoulder seasons, which are April to May and September to October, you can find some fantastic deals. Not only will flights be cheaper, but you'll also enjoy milder weather and fewer crowds. Moving on to accommodations. Spain offers a range of affordable options to suit every traveler's needs. If you're a solo traveler or don't mind sharing, hostels are a great choice. They're cheap, social, and often centrally located. Websites like Hostelworld and Booking.com can help you find the perfect spot. For those who prefer a bit more privacy, budget hotels are an excellent option. Many of these establishments offer clean, comfortable rooms at a fraction of the cost of luxury hotels. And let's not forget about vacation rentals. Platforms like Airbnb and Vrbo allow you to rent entire apartments or homes, which can be especially cost-effective if you're traveling with a group. Plus, having access to a kitchen means you can save on meals by cooking some of your own. Remember, the best deals often require a bit of digging. So don't be afraid to spend some time researching and comparing options. With these tips, you're on your way to scoring great deals on your flight and accommodation. Now you're one step closer to that dream Spanish getaway without breaking the bank. Indulge in Spain's culinary delights without breaking the bank. Now that's a statement that might seem like a tall order, but let me assure you it's not only possible but also an exciting adventure in itself. So how does one dive into the rich flavors of Spanish cuisine without splurging? Well, the answer lies in two magical phrases: Menú del Día and tapas. The Menú del Día, or the menu of the day, is a Spanish tradition that dates back to the 60s. It's a set lunch menu offered by most restaurants, usually including a starter, a main course, dessert, and a drink. The beauty of this concept is that it gives you a taste of authentic Spanish dishes at a fraction of the cost. It's like a culinary tour through Spain, right there on your plate. Then there are the famous tapas. These are small portions of various dishes, allowing you to sample a wide array of flavors without committing to a full meal. Going for tapas is a social event in Spain, a time to chat, laugh, and share food with friends. And the best part? Tapas are typically inexpensive, making it a great budget-friendly option. But the gastronomic adventure doesn't end there. Spain is dotted with vibrant local markets that are a food lover's paradise. These markets are brimming with fresh produce, local cheeses, cured meats, bread, and much more. You can whip up your own meal with these local ingredients, or simply snack as you explore. It's an affordable and delicious way to immerse yourself in the local culture. Let's not forget hydration. In Spain, drinking water is usually free in restaurants. So don't hesitate to ask for a jug of tap water instead of ordering bottled water. Remember, the key to enjoying Spain's gastronomy on a budget is to eat like a local. So step out of your comfort zone, try new flavors, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Because after all, isn't that what travel is all about? Exploring Spain's rich culture and history doesn't have to cost a fortune. One of the greatest treasures of Spain is its plethora of museums, housing everything from ancient artifacts to avant-garde art. Many of these cultural hubs offer free admission days or hours. For instance, the world-renowned Prado Museum in Madrid, home to works by Goya and Velázquez, opens its doors for free in the evenings from Monday to Saturday, and all day on Sundays. Similarly, the Picasso Museum in Barcelona allows free entry on the first Sunday of every month. It's a splendid opportunity to immerse oneself in Spain's vibrant art scene without spending a single euro. Moving about in Spain is also quite wallet-friendly. The country is well connected with an efficient public transportation system. Whether it's the metro, buses, or trams, commuting is relatively inexpensive. For instance, a 10-journey ticket in Madrid or Barcelona costs less than 10 euros, making it a bargain for those planning to explore extensively. Moreover, Spain is a biking paradise. Many cities like Seville and Barcelona have dedicated bike lanes, and renting a bike for the day won't break the bank. It's an affordable, eco-friendly, and fun way to explore the city at your own pace. Lastly, let's talk about walking tours. These are not only a cost-effective way to explore cities, but also offer an in-depth understanding of local history, culture, and architecture. Many companies operate on a pay-what-you-wish basis, meaning you can decide the value of the tour at the end. From the Gothic quarter of Barcelona to the historic district of Toledo, these walking tours will lead you through the heart of Spain's most captivating cities, all while keeping your budget intact. In conclusion, economical sightseeing in Spain is not just about saving money, but also about experiencing the country in a more intimate and authentic way. Whether it's marveling at masterpieces in museums, navigating the cities via public transport, biking through charming neighborhoods, or walking in the footsteps of history, there's a wealth of experiences awaiting you. With these tips, you can experience Spain's best sights without stretching your wallet. Managing your money wisely is crucial to a budget-friendly trip. In this grand adventure, every euro counts and can be the difference between an ordinary or an extraordinary experience. Now let's talk about cards. Credit cards are essential tools for modern travel, but did you know that some cards can be more travel-friendly than others? Specifically, some credit cards don't charge foreign transaction fees. These fees can add up quickly and eat into your budget, so it's a smart move to opt for a card without them. It's like having a free pass to save money every time you swipe or tap. But here's a word of caution. While credit cards can be incredibly convenient, they can also make it easy to lose track of your spending. And that's why setting a daily budget is so important. It doesn't have to be strict, but having a ballpark figure in mind can help you make smarter spending decisions. For instance, if you've allocated 30 euros for meals each day, you'll think twice before splurging on a 15-euro cocktail. Another smart money management tip is to avoid tourist traps. These are places where prices are typically hiked up simply because they're in a popular area or close to a major attraction. Instead, try to explore local markets and neighborhoods. Not only will you save money, but you'll also have a more authentic experience. You'll be surprised at the hidden gems you'll find while wandering off the beaten path. Shopping at local markets is also a great way to stretch your budget. You can find fresh produce, local delicacies, and unique souvenirs often at a fraction of the price you'd pay in a standard store or restaurant. Plus, you'll be supporting local businesses, which is a win-win situation. In conclusion, smart money management isn't about scrimping and saving at every turn. It's about making informed decisions so you can make the most of your trip. Remember, smart money management is the key to a budget-friendly trip. Let's recap the key points for a budget-friendly Spanish adventure. Our journey began with the art of finding cheap flights and accommodations. Remember, it's all about being flexible with your travel dates and doing your research to find the best deals. Next, we dived into the world of budget-friendly eats and drinks. Spain is a food lover's paradise, and you can enjoy it without breaking the bank. From tapas bars to local markets, there's plenty to savor. We then explored economical sightseeing, highlighting the importance of planning ahead and taking advantage of free or discounted attractions. Spain is rich in history and culture, and there's so much to see beyond the typical tourist traps. Finally, we discussed smart money management. From using local currency to avoiding unexpected fees, every penny counts when you're traveling on a budget. With these tips in mind, you're ready to embark on your budget-friendly adventure to Spain. Happy travels!